What up, database data doll? So in here, today's video reaction is going to be Caillou makes the dial-up noise in class / grounded. I don't even. What could the dial-up noise be anyway? It's made by Leopard. I think that's her name. So anyhow, links will be in the description. Let's begin.
Good morning, class. Let's start our day with a few math problems. Leo, what is 20 plus 20?
40.
Correct. Clementine, what is 25 plus 25?
45.
Incorrect. Try again.
50.
Yes. Caillou, what is 34 plus 11?
Yikes, that sounds horrible. Everyone's look on face. Oh my gosh. Why is nobody questioning how he could do this? Uh-oh.
Caillou, how dare you make the dial-up noise? We are not supposed to do that.
And what rule does this say?
That's it. Go to the principal's office now. Okay, let's finish up. Sarah, what's 34 plus 11?
So Caillou, why are you here this early? What did you say?
What did you say?
I made the dial noise in class.
Oh my god! Caillou! How dare you make the dial noise in class? You are not supposed to make the dial-up noise in class. That's it. You are suspended. Go home now.
Whoa! I think somebody's causing an earthquake.
Oh, you're so grounded until your suspension is over.
Fair.
Go to your room now. And never make the dial-up noise while you're in your room.
Why is that funny? That's terrible. Well, that was a really good one. So yeah, links will be in the description. And like, subscribe, favorite, follow me on Twitter, and I'll see you next time.